Hey guys, Jonathan here with the Roofing Dudes. We are at one of our installs of the new GAF TimberSteel. One of the reasons why we wanted to showcase this for our clients and our homeowners is this gives the benefits of a metal roof without the look of a traditional metal roof. So some things just to point out right out from the gate is this is a 24 gauge steel. Most of the metal roof applications that you see are either going to be 26 or 29 gauge, which is a much thinner metal. And so what that means for a homeowner is that if there's ever a hailstorm, this is actually class 4 hail resistant. So you're going to get some discounts on your insurance premiums, which can add up to a lot of money.
Hi, my name is Gustavo and I'm with GAF Care.
We are North America's largest roofing manufacturer.
What makes this product different than all others is that now you get the benefits of metal in a residential shingle style without that commercial look. On top of that, for our installers, whenever they're actually on your roof, they can walk all over this and not have to worry about damaging it, denting it in any way, shape, or form.
Contractors certified by GAF are trusted to offer our strongest guarantees and warranties.
The only way to be able to install this type of metal roof system is you have to be metal certified with GAF to be able to install it and offer the warranty. A 30-year workmanship warranty, so if there's ever an issue with the workmanship in the next 30 years, you get to call us, we come out here and handle the whole thing for you, as well as a 50-year limited material warranty. You're also going to be able to have a 15-year hail warranty. So even if there is a huge hailstorm, it would have to puncture this metal and cause a leak, which would then be backed by the manufacturer and us as well. That goes just in hand with a wind warranty of 15 years. That's one of the biggest reasons why we wanted to offer this to our clients, is so that anyone who says, I never want to worry about a roof again, which is actually the exact same thing that Mr. Conway said to us, this is the roof for them. We put it on once and you never have to worry about it at all. After we tear off the roof, if there's any bad wood, we're going to make sure that we replace that. And then once we have a fresh start, we're going to put this high temperature ice and water shield over the entire roof. So God forbid, even if there was a leak 30 years from now, it would still have to get past this membrane before it got inside the roof. If you look right here, guys, this is where all of our nails are actually going to go. And so once we've nailed that piece in, this new piece is actually going to overlap on top of that. So like a traditional metal roof, you are going to have exposed fasteners, which can tend to leak. But in this case, all of the fasteners are hidden by the overlapping seam here, so that when water comes down this panel here, it's going to go immediately over it. And even if it does try to go back like wind-driven rain, it can't, because there's a lock right here. So this is an entire roof system, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Once it's put on, you never have to worry about it again. Thanks, guys.